So this is the cover, and I finally finished doing some PCB design. This is the main motherboard, but I'm still not ordering that. I still need to check it for any mistakes. But here, this is what I ordered. The charging circuit, here's the USB-C, a BTC resettable fuse, and a TVS diode, and here a voltage converter from 5 volts to 3 volts. And here I've got a similar setup, a BTC resettable fuse and 2 TVS diodes. So if some high voltage goes in, it doesn't break the whole device. And here is the main on-off button that will be in the back of this case. It will be using capacitive touch, so when you touch it, it will turn on the device instead of normal buttons, because that was too hard. And then I decided, here as you can see, I ordered it. They are now kneeling, and then I decided, instead of this cheap yellow display screen, I'm gonna go with this screen capacitive touch to fill in this whole shell, and I will have to redesign the shell so I still have the sunrise function. And that is all. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.